Hey guys, it's Janessa. If you're looking for a lightweight transfer pump, let me show you everything you need to know about this version and you can see if it's right for you. So here's a closer look at this utility garden hose pump. It's CE certified and it's equipped with all of its standard parts so you can be up and running the moment you open the box. It's made of metal, but it's lightweight and very durable, and the whole housing of this is very corrosive resistant, so it's not going to corrode and it's not like abrasive. It's very easy to handle and easy to carry. It's also equipped with like a thermal overload protection to make sure that it doesn't overheat. And it is electric transfer pump, so it's ideal for just easy storage to move water from one place to the other. Could be from a washing machine, waterbed, aquarium. But overall, this is a staple to have in your house. It is very small, so it can store properly. I highly recommend it.